Yo, check it out. We're building a faceplate for the lathe today. We got the back of the faceplate attached on there now. Same as the other attachment for the lathe. Oh, look at that. We built some jaws for it now. Let's hope nothing flies off of this thing. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, a little wobbly, but you could probably dial that in a bit. A little bit of sand in later, and we got a round head. Here the lathe is turning away. I'm mostly just using it to sand the tops of these guys, so the runout doesn't matter quite so much. This was our end product.